rack together. Look. Yeah. We got it together. Got it together. I don't know. We might take these stickers off though. You know what I'm saying? We might. Hey, welcome to Peanuts Automotive Adventures. That's Peanut, I'm James. Welcome to Peanuts Automotive Adventures, where every day is an automotive adventure. But before we get into today's video, y'all know the routine, team run it. Reach out to the graphic spot, va.com, right? Yep. For all your graphic needs, hook it up, y'all. Reach out to No, not yet. Let's go ahead and do the promo for the graphic spot first. It's all good, Peanut. And you know what I'm saying, reach out to him, you know, all that good stuff he be doing for the community, y'all. You know, especially the automotive community, man. He comes through for the automotive community at all times. But if you got a business, personal, anything, he can get it done. He can get it done for you when it comes to graphic design, decals, t-shirts, hats, promotional items, hoodies, all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? He got y'all, man. Y'all just got to reach out to him, man, and give him those projects, man. You know what I'm saying? For he can go ahead and provide you the best customer service possible. Next one.
Innovative powders.
There we go, Peanut. Innovative powders. He's powder coating the world, y'all. I'm just going to be honest with y'all. He's powder coating the world. And we proud of him. Another small business owners that Peanuts Automotive Adventures support at all times. He support us at all times. Y'all seen the previous videos. The Junior Dragster wheels look magnificent. It should add a couple of tenths, right, to your time, right? It should knock a couple of tenths off in that Junior Dragster. We try and get down to that 1190 in the 8th in the 660 foot. Thanks to Innovative Powders, and thank you to the graphic spot too for the wrap and everything that he's been doing to support that Junior Dragster, our Junior Dragster program. But y'all reach out to Innovative Powders, man. He can powder coat anything you want. Let him know what you need. He got you. All right, today's video. It's not a Buick video, not a Junior Dragster video. It's a video about our new SUV acquisition here at Peanuts Automotive Adventures. What we picked up was a 2019 Infiniti QX-80. We love it. We've been driving it. We picked it up back in November. Just didn't, you know, announce it or none of that because we're always humble. We're just not, you know, we don't want to showcase stuff, you know, just to be bragging. We're not bragging. We're just humble that we are able to purchase and achieve certain things in life. You know what I'm saying? But we need to be more transparent with y'all at the same time to find that fine balance. So what we have is a project for the QX-80. Y'all see it behind us. It's the roof-mounted cargo carrier. And what we're going to do is I'm going to turn this film around. I mean, not film. I'm going to turn this camera around and show y'all what we got going on today because it's warming up. It's going to be about 50 degrees. So we're going to get out the house and go ahead and knock out some of these projects and get some videos going and all that good stuff for you guys, man, because it's too sunny to be sitting in the house. Plus, I'm trying to freeze Peanut from the video games, right? Tell me which video game you playing right now. Oh, Grid Legends? Yeah. On Xbox what? S? X?
X.
See? You know them video games, y'all. All the video games are pretty much race or automotive influenced games. But hey, let me go ahead and turn this around and show y'all what we got going on. All right, this is what we got going on. We picked this up from Harbor Freight. We didn't need no expensive one, man. You know what I'm saying? This was 99 bucks at Harbor Freight. This, what is it? Hallmaster roof rack. Mounted carrier, cargo carrier, and we'll give y'all the reasoning behind why we're doing this, man. This is it right here. It's a two-piece that we got to put together. You know, we got the cart out here with the tools on it. You know, we're gonna put it together. We're gonna install it, y'all. We're gonna bring you on the journey of the installation. But let's turn around to the vehicle is going on. Sorry, team, run it. It's saying it's salty right now. We was trying to go to the car wash yesterday, but man, it was packed. You know, to get this salt off. We just had a good snowfall this week, but this is our new acquisition here, Peanuts Automotive Adventure. We purchased it with like 40,000 miles on it. Great vehicle, not fuel efficient, but I didn't buy it for fuel efficiency. We purchased it for what? Traveling, yeah, you're right. Traveling and to get more cargo space. We needed the more cargo space, y'all. You know, for we can put stuff in the back. It got third row seating. You can lay them down. You know, Peanut got all the space back there. Got his USB ports, all that good stuff that kids need nowadays for their electronics. We got a roof rack up top, which we about to install that cargo roof rack. And the biggest thing that made me jump on this too, because y'all know that the dually was down for a while, but the dually is the only one that can tow that 28-foot trailer. But this can also tow our open 18-foot dovetail trailer right here, because we got a class 3 hitch hidden behind here, y'all. So this will be the backup to the backup to the backup, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So no matter what, we'll be able to tow a car. If one of them go down, something's going to tow something, because that's what we into. And this version of it, this is the low end version of it, but it is all-wheel drive, tow mode, all that. V8 5.6 liter Nissan motor, you know, all-wheel drive. It does great in the snow, y'all. I have fun with this thing in the snow, and it got all the room, the space. Sorry that it's dirty right now, but it is what it is. It's dirty in the inside. Put the rubber factory floor mats in just to catch all the salt and all that. We'll clean that up. Look at that, y'all. We got all the room in the world, man. Let me show y'all back here. We got all the room in the world right here. Still kind of got that new car smell too for 19. It still kind of got it. But yeah, man. But yeah, we had to go ahead and grab it. This is our traveling vehicle, right? Yeah. Yeah, this is what we're going to be traveling in. If we need to tow something with the open trailer, we got it. We got it, y'all. So, yep. Love this thing, y'all. Love this thing. Super Bowl champions right there. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. You know, everything get a badge of honor around here. Everything get a badge of honor. But, yeah, we're going to get this washed up, too, later on today. One thing I did like, we purchased it from CarMax, not trying to endorse CarMax or anything, but I like their vehicle purchase process. But it came with brand new tires, y'all. The tires was brand new with 0 miles on them. So, you know, they installed the new tires on it, all 4. But hey, y'all. And this thing is overdue an oil change. I got to change the oil too. I'm just waiting for the oil to come in. AMSOIL, y'all know the treatment it's gonna get. Synthetic AMSOIL. What else? That's about it, y'all. So let me and Peanut get to work and start assembling this roof rack there. All right, Team Runner, as y'all can see, we got the little rack together. Look. Yeah. We got it together. Got it together. I don't know, we might take these stickers off though. You know what I'm saying? We might do that. I don't like that. We might put our own stickers on there, right? Put our own decals on there, courtesy of the graphic spot. You know what I'm saying? And guess what? If this thing ever need to be repowder coated, Innovative Powders. See how the world works? Look at that. So yeah, this is what we got so far. We getting there, y'all. We getting there. Slowly getting there with it. All right, let us continue on. All right, Team Runner, we're done. There's Peanut right there. We got it installed. It wasn't a bad install. It was very simple. I was getting it all wrong though, but I just want y'all to see it. I'm gonna step up on the ladder. Let me step up on the ladder and let y'all see it. We got it installed, y'all. Simple install. Right there, ain't that right, Peanut? Yeah. Simple install. The only problem that I had with this kit, it was missing what, Peanut? One of these right here. I'm gonna pull it out for you. It was missing one, but that's fine, because what'll happen, either I can order one probably through Harbor Freight, through the catalog, the little instruction manual, and I just didn't put one on that back side over there because it's underneath the bar anyway. So it shouldn't be like, look, it shouldn't be nothing like bag wise touching it. But yeah, simple install, y'all. 99 bucks, can't beat it. Budget friendly. We can get more stuff up here, ain't that right, Ann? She said, yeah, we can get more luggage up here. You know what I'm saying? We got more room for luggage inside, of course, right here. But what's that?
I said there's more stuff that you could fit there.
Yeah, look good, don't it? Yeah. Look all right? You know what I'm saying? We just increased it. Look, 100 pounds. 100 pounds on all 4 corners.
You're on top of that ladder.
Who, me? I'm on top of the ladder. Look at Peanut. Peanut up here. But he's not on a ladder though. He got the door open.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, you know. But you know, Peanut ain't scared of no heights anyway. I'm the one scared of heights. But yep, we got it. What y'all think about it, Team Run It? What y'all think about it, man? We just, look at that, man. I can already see it. And then one thing I like too, ratchet strap. You can ratchet strap your items down so they don't fly away when you're on the highway. All that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? We do got a luggage bag that got straps on it that'll fit up here, a weatherproof luggage bag I picked up for cheap. So yeah, man, I'm happy with this install. I'm actually happy with this vehicle too. I ain't gonna lie to you. I love this vehicle, man. Love this vehicle. Ain't that right, Peanut?
Yeah.
We just gotta clean it up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll clean it up. All right, let me go ahead and do the closeout. All right, Team Run It, this is the closeout. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate all the support. We got it installed securely. That's number one, safety. We don't want it flying off on the highway, causing any accidents, wrecks or whatever. You know, the instructions was very simple to follow. Everything's tight. What I do is, on a weekly, maybe a monthly basis, I'll make sure everything's tight up there, you know, make sure, retorque or re-screw everything down to make sure, or before every trip too, you know what I'm saying? Because we try not to daily drive this. I probably drive it to work once a week, but the weekends it does get, we do get our boogie on in this thing on the weekends sometimes. But yeah, man. So don't forget to use all our sponsors, the graphic spot, va.com and Innovative Powders. And you know, this is Peanuts Automotive Adventure. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell. That's Peanut. I'm James. This is Peanuts Automotive Adventures. We out.
Peace.
Peace.